Hi guys, it's Julie here from Renovating Made Easy, and I just wanted to come to you today from my Retro Reno before the staging furniture is removed, because I just wanted to sort of sit down and take stock of how the renovation's gone, and I'm very pleased with how quickly the renovation went and how quickly it got sold as well. It was sold on the first weekend that we had the home open, so yeah, that's a pretty good result, and we've got the price that we had in our budget that we estimated our in-sale price would be. So all in all, very happy with the end result. But a lot of people come to me and ask me, like, how do you choose a suburb and how do you choose the house in the suburb? So I just wanted to quickly run through with you the 3 simple steps that can help you choose a suburb, which is a great starting point for then finding the house that you want to buy, renovate and sell for a profit. I've created a free workbook for you, a free download that you can download, print off if you like, and just go through the steps, and it will really help you to become clear on what suburbs you want to start spending your time in. So the first thing that I look at is supply versus demand, and what I do is I look for the number of properties that have sold in a suburb over the past year, and then I compare that to the number of properties that are currently listed for sale. So for this particular suburb, I think there was 52 sold in the past year, and there was only 7 or 8 on the market last time I checked. So there's very short supply compared to the amount of properties that have sold. So that will indicate that there's probably more buyers than there are sellers, and creating a bit of demand for your product. So I live in Perth, so pretty much every suburb in Perth has the same story at the moment, but it's always a really good idea just to keep an eye on that market month by month, because there will be a time when things change, and you want to be really on the pulse of when that is changing. So you don't want to just assume that every suburb in Perth is really short supply. If you keep just watching the supply versus demand, you'll start to see if supply in certain suburbs starts to go up. It won't happen in every single suburb all at once. So that's going to give you a really clear indicator of which suburbs to stay away from when you're coming from a really hot market that might start slowing down, or vice versa. When you're in a slow market, you can start to see the suburbs that have got really good demand and short supply. So you can start to see when people are saying the market's terrible, don't buy, you can start to see suburbs where there's actually something happening and worthwhile investing into, so that you can make a profit. So they're the first 2, supply versus demand. And then the third thing is days on market in the suburb. I really like to look at days on market just to see how quickly houses are selling, because I want to flip properties. I want to buy and renovate and sell quickly. I want to make sure that houses aren't staying on the market for too long. So the third number that I like to record when I'm doing my initial suburb research is the days on market for the suburb. So I hope that helps. 3 really simple tips, but they are really super valuable and powerful, because they are the things, rather than waste your time on looking at all the other data, look at those 3 things and you'll start to become very clear and confident as to where you should start looking for a house to renovate for profit. So I hope that helps. Make sure to download your free giveaway that I'll put the link below this video. And happy renovating. Thanks for watching the whole series. Bye.